Hi, my name is Carson Anyway here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. Welcome again. If you've been watching my channel for a little bit, thank you for coming back. And yes, so this video I wanted to showcase a set of nails I did for Halloween just in time. And I thought, well, you know what? Why not show it off? Because this is what I'll be doing. And this is what I'll be showing off a lot on my channel as well throughout the time going. And if you're interested in nails, keep watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And yeah, so let's get into the video.
Hello everyone, this is voiceover Carson here. So today's video is just gonna be about me doing one of my Halloween sets that I've been doing lately and have been turning out really nicely. And I thought, you know what, why not share it? Why not make some videos out of it? And what I am using today is gel tips. Lately I've been switching between acrylic or gel tips, but so far those have been way easier, and they're very interchangeable. I can change them out very easily, which is good for me because especially with school, because if you don't know, I am becoming a full specialist esthetician, so I have to have short nails when I have clients. So that's why and then having to change my nails regularly, especially with having clients. I can't have long nails because I'll accidentally poke them. So that's why you see me shortening them in the video. And normally, even when I don't have clients, at least on Tuesdays when we don't take them, I can keep them a little bit longer. But at least for what I'm wearing at the moment, they are a little longer than what I like, so even with that I would shorten them just a little bit. But yeah, so I used the Gella tips. I will have them linked down below. I'll have everything I use linked down below if you're curious of anything I have or anything I use. But yeah, and so don't mind also what I have over in the corner on my desk. It's all my nail stuff from school or things I need to practice, things I need to get used to using in general. And so during this part, I'm just basically shortening them. I thought maybe use the drill would help. It wasn't really helping as much. Later on, I just end up, trimming them and then filing them with a hand file because that seemed to be actually easier than what I'm doing right now. But I thought this would be a easier way to do it at the time. It wasn't. But yeah, so what are you guys' plans for Halloween? I know Halloween is tomorrow. I will be at school tomorrow. I think I'm dressing up as Wednesday Addams. Because I already had the dress, and then all I have to really do is my makeup. So that's probably what I'm going to be dressing up as. And yeah, so what are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm very interested in what you guys might be up to. And yeah, so I have been trying to keep up with making posts. I've been making content. I've just fallen behind on editing them and getting them up in time, so that's why I've been like a little behind on posting things, just because I need time to edit, I need time to do this voiceovers, and I just haven't had the time because of school and then just life in general. So sorry about that if you have been watching out for any of my videos and I haven't been able to post anything lately, so that's why. But if you want to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I've been trying to keep up with those as much as I can, more than YouTube, at least lately, just because I already have the things ready to go. I just have to literally post them for those. And so that's why YouTube is a little bit more involved and, you know, more hands-on than those two, just because of the fact that I have to sit here, edit, voiceover, do all that kind of stuff, and I just haven't had the time. But yeah, so if you want to also follow me just to see like how school's going and how are things going in general, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I talk about it. I'll probably be posting shorts and stuff here too as well, involving like school related things, because a lot of that kind of stuff has been popping up on mine as well. Yeah, so, and then today I'm going to be practicing lash extensions, which is going to be fun. And even right now, I'm working on a set of nails that I can sell if people would like press-on nails. So if you are interested, and I mentioned that at the end of the video, if any of you guys are interested in like press-on nails of any kind, custom or whatever, feel free to DM me on Instagram and we can work something out, because I wouldn't mind. I have all the things to do it with, and now I can be able to do this, and I'm really excited and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So if you are interested in that, go ahead over there and DM me and we can work things out. And yeah, you hear my cat, her name's Lily. She likes coming over here and fussing a lot. I don't know why she does that all the time, but yeah, it's a lot of filing. It took me a while, at least, to file, because since I had to file them so much based off of the natural shape that they were, and I had to file them down a lot, at least. And then it took me a while, because even when I was doing it, I didn't really know exactly what look I was going to go for, because I was like, okay, well, I want to do something Halloween, but I don't know what I want to put on my nails, because I had just had Beetlejuice on my nails, or Beetlejuice themed nails, and I was like, alright, well, what else can I do? And I just got a bunch of new polishes and everything, and I was like, ooh, I can use that. And see, that is my example of what I decided to do, which I thought was a really cool idea, because I kind of just went on and looked at a handful of like Halloween type nails that I could find that were inspiration to me, and I thought, you know what, let's do that. And I kind of just mixed and matched them from like 3 different sets, but I thought it would turn out really nicely. And right now I'm using a rubber base. It's from, I have it out, give me a second. It is from Venalisa. It is a rubber base in 2. I will, of course, like I said, put everything in the description, because the rest of what I'm using is all Beetles polish. And so yeah, I thought that would be a cool look and would turn out very nicely. Like I was saying, I have a bunch of videos ready to go. I just have to edit them and voice over them. But I have a handful of them ready to go. Just needing to do that. Basically, I have the whole month of November ready. But then when December hits, I need to start filming things. Or I can film them in November technically. But yeah, so that's kind of how things are going. So be excited. Be excited for what I got planned. I'm excited, at least. I feel like this is gonna be fun. I'm already having a lot of fun doing this. I think that you guys would like it a lot too. If you already enjoy my content as it is, I feel like you guys would enjoy the little change up that I'm planning, especially with all the new cool things that I'm doing to further my career, and I feel like you guys would be interested in that. And if you are, I appreciate it a lot. It makes me really happy if you are interested, as it is as well. just as much as I am. And especially if you're willing to watch any of my videos. I truly love when you guys are here watching my videos, and I appreciate it a whole lot. It makes life a whole lot happier and fun, and especially the fact that this is stuff that I love doing. And even in general, like making content, I find it very interesting. I find it very fun to create content. And the fact that y'all are willing to watch my stuff and willing to sit here and watch my things, and it just makes me happy. And yeah, so thank you. I appreciate you if you're listening to this video and watching me do my nails. And even right now, it's funny that I'm literally doing another nail set right now while I'm recording this. But yeah, it's fun. I really enjoy it, even though it is time consuming, like I was talking about, just to record. Well, not record, but like edit videos, and especially the way I like editing videos. That's why on my other channel I haven't really got to post too much. Like, I have a video, but it is very time consuming to edit those, and it takes a while. And the reason why with like these videos, these are my easier videos. These are my quicker videos that I can get done, filmed, already have done, and then I just have to quickly edit them and voice over them, and those are the easier ones. The other ones on my other channel are more in depth because of the fact that I'm telling a story. Man, if you don't know what channel I'm talking about, it's my HMM, Carson HMM channel, or well, Carson O channel is what I call it, but I talk about History Mystery Monday. If you've never been over there, is where I talk about really anything I find interesting or I want to tell a story about, and then I tell it over there. But the reason why it's time consuming over there more than it is here is because of the fact that I have to write scripts. I have to write scripts, film them, then I have to make sure that I am saying everything correctly, and if I don't, well, of course I have to edit it out, and that can take a while, especially if I mess up a lot by accident, not meaning to, obviously, but it happens, you know. And then, so what I'm doing right now in my nails is because while I was doing these nails, I was looking at my reference picture that I had up there, and for some reason, when I was doing Ghostface, it was not looking like Ghostface. And I was like, alright, you know what? I need to just pull up some pictures of the mask from like Google, because whatever I'm doing from this image of a nail set that's already has it, well, it's not turning out correctly and it's looking janky for me. So let me just go look at, you know, a normal nail set, because, or well, actual pictures. But yeah, so that's what I would end up doing, and that's what I'm doing at the moment, because I was like, alright, I've wiped it off like 2 times already. It's not turning out the way I want it to look. This is aggravating. And so I just went ahead and pulled up that picture, and it helped a lot, because then it actually looked correct finally, which made me happy, which was taking forever to try perfecting. You know, of course, me, I'm like, I want to make sure it looks absolutely perfect. And then for my other hand, I didn't end up filming it, but I did Jason's mask on the other one, and I loved how it turned out. I'll end up showing it in just a second, but that's how it turned out. And there you go, there's the other set. I did Jason's mask. I didn't end up getting to film it. My husband came up with the idea to do it, because since I did Ghostface on the other, and so yeah, that's how these turned out, and I love them. They turned out so nice.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got inspired by those nails, and if you're a nail tech as well and want to recreate it, tag me in anything that you do if it brought you inspiration. yeah, so I wanted to do that because I thought, why not? Let's show some nails off, and I was already doing them, and plus that's what I'll be doing for now on, including makeup, including skincare and everything, because I'm getting my esthetician's license. And I thought, let's showcase things that I love even before getting this license. And yeah, so if you're interested, let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are Aesthetics by Carson. Yeah, so even right now, I'm working on a new set of nails, and that I can sell if you're interested, because I'm going to be planning on doing press-on nails. So if you're interested in buying any press-on nails from me, DM me on Instagram would be the best place to go until I get my website going. And yeah, and I'll show you how to do it if you've never done it before, and we could figure out what's the best set for you. And yeah, so if you're interested, let me know. Just DM me on Instagram. Hello, Lily. And continue watching my channel, continue watching my journey. Go follow me on those socials to see the journey as well. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, whenever this reaches you, and I'll see you in the next video. Lily, you want to say bye to the peoples? Bye, peoples. She said bye. Bye.